Hey guys, welcome back to my recaps. This is MK with Variable Traders. Thank you for all the views. You guys must really like my recaps, and thank you so much for all the thumbs up you guys gave me. It was super nice of you guys. Today I only took one trade. I kind of came to the market a little bit unprepared. I didn't have like a very good watch list, but the reason that I traded on this RHP stock was because one of my friends yesterday that I play video games with, he said he bought some of this stock. And like, I don't give investment advice, but I was like looking at it and it was literally falling off a cliff. This stock used to be like $80. It's like, why would you try catching a falling knife? You're like, you have to like wait for it to like form a base or something before you buy a stock, I feel like. There's like no indication of like too much of a reversal, so that's why I was just like, interesting. Cool story, bro. So in the morning it was weak again, as you could see from like pre-market action. So I shorted some right here. It crossed over the dash line, which is yesterday's close. It was under my VWAP and my EMAs. So I shorted here, covered some here, covered more here, and covered even more here. And then I got all out right here, which is my stop loss, which was VWAP. Here it is on the 2-minute chart. Typically I look at the 5. I was looking at the 5-minute chart more. But yeah. And then I took like a scalp, which was on Microsoft. Some people will call this overtrading. I just call it extra profit. It kind of formed this like base. Usually like after like this trade, I made a $3 gain off this stock. It was like a really good trade. It made my day. I didn't have to trade anymore. So I reduced my share size when I hit my profit target. So this was just a scalp. And so I went long and then I covered some really quick after like 6 minutes of trading. I could have held it longer, but I didn't want to hold it too long. So those were my trades today. I hope you guys like this video. And don't forget to comment and subscribe. And see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.